Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is April 10th, and this is your aftermarket update. So we had a good day here at the Oil Trading Group. It's been another in a series of decent days here recently. As you know, we finished up the $50,000 Top Step Trader Combine. We did that in the minimum amount of days, which was 10 days. And we began to trade on the Funded Trader Prep, which the target objective in 10 days was $1,000. So you can see here, I'm going to focus in on the top right-hand corner of the screen. You can see the statistics for the day and also for the Funded Trader Prep. Today was a $347.92. We had $22 in fees, and we had a CL trade that was net, or a couple of CL trades actually that was net $370. We had one ES trade that was at break even. So again, we had just a small ES trade that was break even. It doesn't show up here, but it would show up in this commission amount here. The bigger number though for today is that we did push over the top of the Funded Trader Prep target. That target is $1,000. Again, you have 10 days in which to get that accomplished. And we have done it in 4 trading days. So in the equivalent of 14 trading days here in the trading room, we have taken you from not funded, a $50,000 combine, and we passed with the $3,000 target in 10 days. And then we moved into the live trader prep, and in 4 days we have hit the Funded Trader Prep target, which the next step at this point would be to get you a fully funded $50,000 trading account with Top Step Trader. We have done this for you live in the room over the course of the last 3 trading weeks, and here we are at the finish line, mission accomplished. So again, really cool stuff to be able to take you through this live in front of everyone here and show you exactly how you can take the tools and the information here at the Oil Trading Group and be able to successfully get yourself through their requirements to provide you with a fully funded trading account. All right, so let's talk a little bit about today. There really was not a lot of opportunity on the trade plan today. Our trade plan, really the closest we got to here, we said 43.60 to 43.75. Was going to be the primary strategy. What we talked about is the fact that we were in a bull trend today. We talked about the fact that we were in a bullish trend here today. It's hard to see on this particular chart, but let's go back here to one of these bigger time frame charts. We'll take a look here. I think this is your 60-minute chart. Yeah, this is a good chart. We'll look at this one. One of the things, we did some analysis back over the weekend as well. But what I want to show you here is you can still see coming back here into February, low, higher low, higher low. We did break some structure right here, but quickly picked up the bull trend again. Low, higher low, and we bottomed out before we broke market structure here. And we have been in this trading range. Same thing here. You have a series of higher highs. You had a quick break in structure here, but quickly, again, the highs are continuing to be higher while the lows, now you're chopping around just a little bit here. But you could see here that if you take and draw yourself a trend line from this area, let's grab the trend, and you could just really, if you wanted to grab it from here, you could take it all the way down into there, right? And you could see that that is a nice trend line up at that point there on your 60-minute chart. So the underlying theme here is definitely bullish. That is the underlying theme, and that's the theme that we're playing on today. Now on your trade plan, and let me scoot this out just a little bit better so make this easier to see. On your trade plan today, we needed a specific scenario to occur in order for us to be able to take a long trade. And what we were looking for is, we said that the primary strategy is in line with the session bias, which is long. 43.60 to 43.75 was the long. The sweet spot was 43.61. What we wanted the market to do is rally above 44.20, which was right here. Then we wanted it to dip back to 43.75 with the sweet spot being 61. Well, it didn't quite dip back to either one of those levels. It got down to 82. Okay, so the market came from 43.75. It actually came down to 82. So we had the right idea on the trade plan. Our level did not get struck to the letter of the law, if you will, on the trade plan. But the market did rally from 43.82 up to the high, which we just made a couple of minutes ago, and that is 44.78. There's almost 100 ticks on the CL right here. And again, this was the way the trade plan sort of set up for you today, right? It didn't quite come down to this level, but it did rally all the way up for nearly 100 ticks out of the zone, basically, that we were looking for. So, the trade plan had the right idea. The market didn't cooperate necessarily and come down right into the tick, but that happens sometimes. And you can also expect that to be the case when you come back and you look at yesterday. I want you to look at the bottom. Left-hand corner of the screen. Our total ticks on the day was 270 ticks. You had 178 was the 10-day average, and 180 was your 20-day average. So we were 100 ticks over the average yesterday. So having a slower, less expansive range day today is not to be it is not unexpected. Okay, so that's the way the trade plan worked out. The market maker levels worked out extremely well today. And again, this is on your tactics worksheet. This is part of your OTG trade plan. And so I'm going to bring the tactics worksheet out in front of you here. Okay, so here is your CL chart and your market maker levels. The market maker levels played out really perfectly today. You had the open, right? So these levels form up right at the open, pit open here. And we'll turn these on just for a second. And this blue line represents pit open. The market came right up into the daily structure signal at 43.89, rallied up to 93, and then immediately fell all the way down to your structure, really all the way down to the structure mid. Now, I got close there at 53 before it rallied one more time and then came down, touched the daily structure signal. And then the market from there continued. Once you could not close below that daily structure mid and you got this close here above the daily structure signal, the market goes right up to the daily structure target. Again, these are your market maker levels. They work really well on all markets. We look at them on the CL and the ES. Again, this is your market maker levels, and we need to get that tactics worksheet out. That's what I was talking about before I hit the pause button. Hit the pause button a minute ago. Let me grab the tactics worksheet here for you. And this is part of your OTG trade plan, your tactics sheet. And we'll go into read mode. We'll expand this out a little bit. And your tactics here, we go down and we talk about your market maker levels. And here's the rules, etc. for entry, right? First time touch short, first time touch long. And this is an example on the ES. So again, this is also part of your OTG trade plan. This is the F3 market maker level setup. And this applies in all markets every day. All right, so as the market comes up, goes down into the daily structure mid, we get this move through the daily structure signal. We go right to the daily structure target. Eventually, if you close above the daily structure target, then you're looking for the next level up above, which is daily structure extension 1. Market rotates, comes back down, finds support again at the daily structure signal, and then continues to climb and then rallies all the way up into that daily structure extension, and that's the way the market closed out today. So again, market maker levels on the CL doing exactly as you would expect. And again, that is part of your trade plan, and that is the tactics worksheet that is associated with your trade plan. All right, let's just take a quick peek at the ES today. I had one opportunity over here. I got out at break even on the ES today. Again, same thing with this market. We're going to turn off the revision signals, and we're going to look just at the structure levels here. So the market today gets up and over this daily structure signal and has a really difficult time getting back underneath. We took a short here We had our stop one tick above this high. It comes back down to 65.5, and that is, we went to break even. I was right at this. We were actually at 67 on the short. It comes down to 65.5, which is a 1.5, and I end up getting to break even here, and that's where it takes me out. So what you're expecting when the market cannot move down through, once it kicks the signal, you're expecting it to kick the target. When it could not come down to the daily structure mid, you're looking for the market to reach out to the daily structure target. And as the market rotates around today, it stays above and boom, right to the daily structure target. And then once that breaks, you would be looking for a move out to the daily structure extension. Now it is 1 p.m. on the time frame here, and so having it reach out today may not happen. But again, you see how we then just find support / resistance, resistance and support, I guess, right around this daily structure target. And there is a possibility that as the market is working its way into the close, that we could get an aggressive rally up to 2084 quarter, although I don't expect to. The market today did most of its movement in the overnight session, right? So most of the movement for this market occurred in that overnight session. And if you put the structure levels on, it really followed your market structure. These are the levels you trade in the overnight session. You went from market structure signal to mid to signal to target. And that is a ideal move, and that happens in the overnight session. You then rallied to structure extension 1, and that's where the market rolled over. And once it did roll over, it found support at your market structure signal again, and then finished rallying all the way up to market structure extension 2. Now, it's continuing to carry on, and of course, we have other levels up here to help you with. But again, market maker levels, trade plan, that is the training program that we offer here to teach you how to draw those levels and to trade those levels. But again, market maker levels, providing you with ample opportunities over there on the ES. One of the reasons that we quit trading today is we did hit that profit objective on the 50K funded trader prep program, and that is the program that would get you a live, fully funded trading account at Top Step Trader. So again, we put our ticks in our pocket. We were up $350 today, actually $370 before commission. And again, that is a nice trading day and is a nice way over the course of 3 days trading 2 lots. We're up just about $1,100 in 4 trading days. One other thing I want to share with you here really quickly is we are going to be doing some training, and there's going to be more information out on this soon, but we are going to be doing some trade plan training, and I'm going to show you this here. We'll get this. Let me pull this up. Give me a second. Okay. So we are going to be conducting a live training class on the daily trade plan strategy and trading tactics. And there is the page. You can see here the URL at the top. This is the page. We break our trade plan down into 3 phases: structure, strategy, and tactics. This is what's going to be covered, the training outline. This is all the information that's going to be covered in the, and I'll be conducting that training in the live trade room. And then, of course, you get the trade plan bundle software. Comes with the SNR level, trend finder, members only content, trading tactics worksheet, the NinjaTrader 7 indicator, and instructional videos. And of course, we have on this page, we have 6 recap videos, very similar to the one that we just did, showing you how the trade plan has worked. We tried to give you the most recent ones as possible, the 25th up to May 5th. Today is the 9th. So we've given you just about all of the trade plan updates that we've had over the past couple of weeks. So anyway, that is it for today. As always, I want to say thank you for spending time watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And until next time, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.